Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Even though India has many indigenous missiles in various categories and also imported many foreign missiles from Russia, France, and Israel, it still looks like the hunt for other varieties of missiles are always active. The reason why I'm speaking about such a topic is due to the recent interest shown by India to induct one more missile. So let us speak more about the same in this video, and I would be sharing vital details about the new missile which Indian Air Force is looking to acquire. As per the recent news from defense sources and also via the Twitter handle of Asia News International, it looks like Indian Air Force might be procuring the Israel's Elbit Systems Rampage missiles. Elbit Systems has put on display its Rampage air-to-ground missile at Aero India 2021. This missile is going to be inducted into Indian Air Force, but nothing is confirmed as of now. To give a quick intro on this missile, Rampage is a new long-range air-to-ground precision strike missile which features high survivability and operational flexibility. These missiles are developed by Israel Military Industries Systems, which is owned by Elbit Systems. The Rampage missile helps a lot in striking against high-value targets like squadron buildings, munitions storage, bunkers, air defense sites, and logistic centers to name a few. These missiles can travel at supersonic speed, including the solid booster, general-purpose warhead, and navigation satellite systems. Not just that, it also has a guidance navigation system with robust anti-jamming capabilities. Engaging the missile is very similar to SMART or GPS bombs. To be more precise, in the pre-launch phase, the target coordinates are communicated from the launch aircraft to the missile navigation system. And after the pre-launch phase, the weapon can be launched or dropped in fire and forget mode. And once the missile is in air, it flies towards the predetermined coordinates, and its trajectory is shaped and tailored to engage a target at a specific speed and angle. Israel's Air Force appears to have introduced this Rampage missile during the combat fighting at targets in Syria, and these missiles are expected to be employed in a standoff scenario at a maximum range of around 100 plus kilometers. These missiles are operational during day and night and also in adverse weather conditions. Rampage missiles are compatible with a variety of aircrafts, and to be specific of which Indian Air Force aircrafts it can be integrated, it should be either Sukhoi Su-30 MKI or Mirage 2000, but nothing is confirmed as of now. So that was a quick update and vital details about one more weapon showcased during the ongoing Aero India 2021 Defense Exhibition. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.